Albert Bryan, Abelito.
Hey, mabuhay! Congratulations! Ayan. Yung first question ko is, this teleserye is like a lot of first for all of you. Like, first the pagbibida ni Jane, first main kontrabida, ganyan. And of course, one of the first collaboration of TV5 with ABS-CBN. What part of this teleserye you are most pressured about? Yung ratings ba? Yung feedback ng bosses, especially from TV5, na mauulit pa ba to? Or yung audience, saang part kayo mas na-pressure?
I think ako personally, more dun sa pagtetel ng story. Kasi nga, ang hirap ng mga characters namin. So, hindi na kami ako personally, hindi na masyadong nag-iisip sa outside factors. Kasi everything will fall into place naman if tama yung portrayal namin, tama yung pagganap namin, di ba? So parang mas dun yata kami nakafocus sa tamang characterization, tamang pag-arte, because everything else naman yata will follow.
How can we tell the story right?
Pero like sa'yo, Jane, like kasi yun nga first ba, parang iniisip mo, sana naman may second pa ito, di ba, na talagang magbibida ka. May ganoon ba?
Bakit parang galit?
Ay, hindi na. Siyempre gusto ko kasi may second pa, third, fourth.
Always naman. Dahil sa lahat naman po ng projects na ginagawa ko, lagi ko naman po binibigay yung best ng best. And always naman din nag-look forward for the next one. Pero kahit ano pa pong role at kahit ano pa pong character, kung ano po yung responsibility ko as an actor, I will do my best. And bigyan ng justice at syempre pinagkatiwala sa akin yung opportunity na to, yung role na to. So lagi lang go for the gold.
So truthfully, never kayo naging concerned kung nag-rate yung show? Or sa true?
I mean, ang dami na kasi nating platform ngayon. Meron tayong Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, nasa I1 tayo, nasa TFs. And marami, iba-iba na rin ang ways ng panonood ng tao. So, as long as meron talagang nag-i-enjoy watching our show, may mga na-entertain kami, yun naman ang goal natin.
Thank you. And then, yung second, follow up kasi ako. Ayan, yung second general question ko is... yung second general question ko is, can you truthfully say na you can face a person from your past nang hindi ka natatakot? Be it an ex or...
Oh, I think yes.
Oo naman.
Yeah, I think yes. Lalo na kapag wala ka naman sigurong ginawang masama talaga. And then wala naman kayong bad blood or like tipong kailangan yung gantihan yung isa't isa. Siguro, I don't think wala naman talagang problema.
So sa'yo wala?
Wala.
Personally wala?
Oo, siguro kaya mo pang tignan mata sa mata di ba?
Yeah, tama. Older, wiser, better as a person.
Yeah, okay lang kasi people meet you at different stages in your life, diba? So where you are now, the people in your past, they knew a different version of you So I think when you see them again, you see them through different perspective. Kasi hindi na ikaw yung dati.
Copy-paste everything. Totoo, same. Parang, diba, nasa past na nga, whatever it is that you've been through, like what they said, ibang tao ka na rin nun. So, carry.
Buti pa kaya.
Kasi siya yung, ikaw ba? Kaya mo?
Yun nga, kaya tinatanong ko, di ko kaya. Ayan. And then last na lang, pwede pa. Sakit pa naman yung mic na. Ayan. Yung last na lang is, like, right now, parang di ba yung nag-aapoy na damdamin na term is, it could be positive or it could be negative. Whatever the drive is, may nag-aapoy yung damdamin nyo. But apart from your work, or apart from this series, what else yung nagpapaapoy ng damdamin ninyo?
Summer siguro. Init din kasi talaga pag summer. Charot lang.
You, JC, what excites you right now?
Ako, my life right now, pretty simple. Pag wala ako sa trabaho, nandun ako sa pamilya ko. Yun lang. Wala na ako ibang ginagawa ngayon. So, kung talaga may nagpapa-apoy at nagpapa-excite sa akin, yun yung umuwi sa bahay.
Jean?
I don't know, life in general, lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon, lahat ng opportunities na dumarating, this project that I'm in right now, looking forward ako araw-araw sa taping namin, ano mang pwede namin gawin, ano mangyayari sa mga characters, basta life in general. I'm just happy where I am right now and who I am right now.
I'm really just trying to do a great job on this show. I feel like Lucas is a character that really has to be taken care of, and I don't want to let anyone down. So this is just something trying not to get too distracted because I really want to do my best here, honestly. So for me, that's really what I'm passionate about right now, talaga.
Same, life in general right now. Okay yung takbo ng buhay natin, good news. Like, life is good, life is great. So, yeah, this show, everything that's going on outside of the show. Madaming nakaka-inspire, maraming nakaka-happy.
Thank you.
Ganda ng
Sana
tanong mo.
all. Sana all na happy ang life, di ba?
Bakit mapag-usapan natin? Huwag na tayo mag-press ka. Halika na.
Charot lang, charot lang.
Thank you, Chicken.
Thank you. Thank you. Congrats.
Ayan, any more